Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change theme on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Okay, many people change the theme to enhance the visual appeal of their device. Themes can include different wallpapers, icons, fonts, and color schemes that can transform the overall look and feel of the device. Okay, and then here are the steps to do. First thing first, please long press on any screen on your device. Well, after that, here you can select Themes option. But for your information, that to see many cute themes here, you have to connect it to the internet network. Well, after that, here will be shown many themes, but you can get a free one on this menu. Well, and then here you can select a free theme to apply on your device. Okay, after that, click download here, and then wait till download process finish. And it is important to note that you must create a Samsung account before to download the themes here. Well, after finishing download process, last you can click apply button and wait a moment. Okay, and then now the new theme is successfully applied on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change theme on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.